Sometimes a simple green salad just won't cut it. You're looking for a way to stay on a healthy track, but you need a little inspiration and a change of pace. Maybe you clicked on this video because you're fresh out of ideas today. Hey, I get it. Well, you've come to the right place because we're going to make a Mediterranean-style salad that combines 3 ingredients that work with each other to work harder for you. What do I mean? Well, in addition to all its own wonderful qualities, the heart-healthy fats in avocados make some of the nutrients in pineapples and watercress, like vitamins A and K, for example, get absorbed into your body better and faster than they would on their own. And I'm all about a little help around the kitchen. So, let's move away from that perfectly fine, but a little bit boring green salad today and put together this spectacular dish that celebrates a great combination of wholesome ingredients in a super colorful bowl. Let's get started. I'm using a couple of pickled garlic cloves just because I love the tang they give to the dressing. Now juice 1 lime. You'll end up with about 1 tablespoon per half, total 2 tablespoons. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know I love freshly ground spices, like a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin in this dressing. Now let's finish off the seasonings with a dash of sea salt and a couple of good grinds of black pepper. Add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Today I'm using Frantoio, one of my favorites, because it's sweet and pairs beautifully with the pineapple. Now just whisk it all together and set it to the side while we put together the rest of the ingredients. Grab 2 fresh avocados and slice them into 1/2-inch cubes. Then just scoop them out into a bowl and set them to the side while we work on the next few things. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to lightly oil a grill pan, get it rip-roaring hot, and place all the pineapple slices on the grill so that they get nice and charred on both sides. And because my grill pan doesn't evenly heat all the way to the edges, I'm going to do it in 2 batches. Just flip them over when you can see those grill marks forming, and we're going to end up with a beautiful sweet caramelized flavor to the outside of the pineapple, and it'll be nice and warm on the inside. See, it looks so yummy and it tastes even better. So all we have to do now is cut them up into bite-sized pieces. I love watercress, and I'm so lucky because it's really easy to find in Spain, but it's a super delicate green. So after you wash it, dry it very gently, and then I like to coat it just lightly with dressing before I add the rest of the salad ingredients. And now it's time to put together this incredibly flavorful, super healthy, beautiful plate. Just layer on all the ingredients, starting with that incredible grilled pineapple. Then add some avocados to it. Add a sprinkle of red onion and a little bit more dressing, and you're ready to enjoy a healthy alternative to that classic green salad.